Life starts with light. So does our company history. Over 2 decades ago, our family-run company began its journey of engineering solutions to improve people's lives through light. HEPER is our pioneer brand, offering contemporary products for road, tunnel, landscape and facade lighting applications. Every HEPER luminaire stands out, showing marks of engineering mastery, modern design and exquisite optics. Alcopole is the brand for environmentalist aluminium poles. Aluminium poles in every shape and size are manufactured in HEPER Group's pole manufacturing facility. Moonlight is HEPER Group's boutique brand, making bespoke productions for custom projects. Always working hand in hand with lighting designers and architects, we turn incredible design into realization. R&D studies are the backbones for our company. Multiple engineering disciplines are combined to create a HEPER product. Thanks to our in-house tooling department, we are flexible and responsive to the max. Testing stage is carried out at our in-house laboratory. The HEPER lab can test, measure and report in conformity with IEC, IES and UL standards. We are always a part of the project beyond just supplying the product. Whether it is the optical design for a specific product or a lighting calculation for a tunnel project, our team always works closely with clients and lighting designers to make sure the best possible project design is implemented. Our love for light is so immense that it shows us the way, inspiring us to develop products for efficient lighting. At HEPER Group, we claim to be an advocate for the importance of the right use of light. With the mission, improving people's lives through light, we work hard for our vision every day. Engineering solutions beyond lighting for sustainable urban spaces with our passion for excellence through light.